Good morning, dear parents, lovely students. Thank you, everyone. Kindly be seated.
Good morning, everyone.
Namaste.
Vanakkam.
Sastriyakal.
Namaskaram. A very warm welcome to our respected principal ma'am, supporting parents, enthusiastic teachers, and lovely children. A parent's love is whole, no matter how many times it's divided. This beautiful proverb reminds us that no matter how many roles a parent plays or how many times it's stretched, the love for the children is endless and unbreakable.
And today, as we gather to witness something truly special, we get to experience firsthand the incredible creativity and talent that our parents have to offer.
We are incredibly proud to host this platform where parents and children can collaborate, express, and shine. This is the day to appreciate the unwavering support of parents and limitless effort of our students.
So, without further ado, let's celebrate the limitless love and talent of our amazing parents. Get ready for a morning filled with laughter and unforgettable moments as we dive into the Parent Talent Show, Talento en Familia.
May we now request everyone to kindly stand for the school anthem. Let us sing with pride and enthusiasm.
Let us celebrate the joy and praises of the home so dear, of the school that claims our respect, DWPS, surely be true. Stand we will enjoy and pride, ever ready to proclaim. Stand we will enjoy and pride, ever ready to proclaim. DWPS we glory, proud we are to carry that name. DWPS we glory, proud we are to carry that name. Service is our fearless motto, honor is our guiding star. Ever ready to recoup us when the steps are wandered afar. Time to see us falling apart, life may grow dull and cold. Time to see us falling apart, life may grow dull and cold. Still our cling to our affection, DWPS shall have our hope. Still our cling to our affection, DWPS shall have our hope. Still our cling to our affection, DWPS shall have our hope.
Kindly be seated, everyone. Thank you. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for, the performances.
Yes, today we have many incredible acts lined up. Each one is unique and we are sure they will leave you amazed.
To start the program, let's welcome Lahar, Shivansh and his mother to come up on the stage for reciting the shloka and seeking the blessings of the God.
Good morning, everyone. We are singing Kirtan. Namaste Narsimha. Namaste Narsimhaya Paladara Dadaine Hiranyakashi Po Aksha बहे नरसिंह हृदये नरसिंह नरसिंहदिं शरणं प्रपदे तव कलकमलवरे नागा अद्भुतशृङ्ग दलित हिरण्यकशिपो दानवलिङ्गं केशवदूता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश रे जय जगदीश रे जय जगदीश रे जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव जय पलामराज 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 जय पलामराज जय जय गुरुदेव 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 हरे कृष्णा थैंक यू
Hare Krishna. That was divine and mesmerizing performance. Please give them a huge round of applause.
The next number is heartwarming dance on Itni Si Khushi, Itni Si Hasi by Arnav and his mother.
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के दिनों से चल बनाए आशियाँ इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के दिनों से चल बनाए आशियाँ
से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुपके गाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के दिनों से चल बनाए आशियाँ
What a spectacular performance. Big round of applause, audience.
Next, we have Shloka and her mother who will be performing on Payal Hai Khankai.
Music, STK.
मैं दिन भर सोच में डूबूं मैं रात में जागूं न सोऊं तू ही मेरे सपनों में ओ सजना मैंने पायल है चनकाई अब तो आजा तू हर जाए मैंने पायल है चनकाई अब तो आजा तू हर जाए मेरी सांसों में तू है बसा ओ सजना जाना अब तरसा ओ सजना आ जाना अब तरसा आँख में गजरा बाल में गजरा बिंदिया जो लगाई रे देख के मेरी मस्त जवानी चंदा भी शर्माए मेरी चूनर उड़ उड़ जाए मेरी चूनर उड़ उड़ जाए चले जब ये पुरवाई
खनकाई अब तो आजा तू हर जाई मैंने चूड़ी है खनकाई अब तो आजा तू हर जाई मेरी सांसों में तू है बसाओ सजना आ जाना तरसा
सदते मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना जो सीना तान के तू चल दे उठता है सर अपना जा जी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी सर पर हाथ है अपना तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा है अपना सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी
Wow, that was truly an extraordinary performance. Don't you think so, parents? So let's do rain clap for them. Rain, I'll teach you what is rain clap. 1 tap, 2 fingers tap, 3 fingers tap, 4 fingers tap, clap. Thank you.
Now, we would like to call upon Amulya and her mother for the patriotic song.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amulya Sindhuja. I'm studying in PP1. Today's, she's my mother. Amma, introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Srivalli Mathuri. Today we're going to perform a song and a small story.
Amma, let's start the song first.
Sure. हिमालयों के पार कर बहादुरों बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो आगे सबसे हो चलो हिमालयों के पार कर बहादुरों बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो आगे सबसे हो चलो प्रणाम कर तिरंगे को हिंद का निशान मर मिटेंगे हम सभी रखेंगे इसकी शान नेफ को चलो लद्दाख को चलो लाल चंद दुश्मनों पे वार कर चलो हिमालयों के पार कर बहादुरों बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो आगे सबसे हो
चलो
वीर शिवजी रानी की भूमि में हम पले आजाद हिंद सेन को हम नहीं भूले शीर्ष झुका लो तिलक लगा लो, लाल चंद दुश्मनों पे वार कर चलो, हिमालयों के पार कर
बहादुरों बड़े चलो,
बड़े
चलो बड़े चलो,
आगे सबसे हो चलो। हिंद बौद्ध सिख जैन ईसाई पारसी, एकता सजीव शेष जीव भारती, भाइयों चलो बहनों भी चलो, लाल चंद दुश्मनों पे वार कर चलो, हिमालयों के पार कर बहादुरों बड़े चलो, बड़े चलो बड़े चलो, आगे सबसे हो चलो, बड़े चलो बड़े चलो, आगे सबसे हो चलो, बड़े चलो बड़े चलो, आगे सबसे हो चलो।
Amma, let's start the story.
Okay, thank you, Nana. Today, now we are going to tell our story in our mother tongue Telugu, and the tagline of the story is "The unity is strength." అనగనగా ఒక ఊళ్ళో ఒక ఊరు పక్కన ఒక ఫారెస్ట్ ఉండేది. ఆ ఫారెస్ట్లో ఒక హంటర్ ఉండేవాడు. అతను చాలా యానిమల్స్ని, బర్డ్స్ని అన్నిటినీ హంట్ చేస్తూ ఉండేవాడు. ఒకరోజు అతను ఎంత ట్రై చేసినా అతనికి ఏ ఫుడ్ దొరకలేదు. సో అతను ఏం చేశాడంటే ఒక చోట కొంత బియ్యాన్ని వేసేసి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. బియ్యాన్ని వేసి వల వేసి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. అటువైపు కొన్ని పావురాలు, కొన్ని పీజియన్స్ వెళ్తూ ఉండే అనమాట. సో అవి ఏం చేశాయంటే అందులో ఒక పీజియన్ ఉండి, ఆ పీజియన్ కింద ఫుడ్ ఉంది, వెళ్దాము మనకి దొరికింది అని చెప్పింది. సో కానీ ఇంకొక పీజియన్ చాలా స్పెషల్ క్వాలిటీస్ ఉండే పీజియన్ ఉందన్నమాట. దాని పేరు చిత్రగ్రీవుడు. సో చిత్రగ్రీవుడి స్పెషల్ క్వాలిటీస్ కొన్ని ఉంటాయి.
నాకు తెలుసు,
చెప్పు.
తను రోజు స్కూల్కి వెళ్తుంది, శృతి మ్యామ్ పూజ మ్యామ్ మాట వింటుంది, అందరు పెద్ద మాట వాళ్ళు వింటుంది, ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్ మాట వింటుంది.
సో ఆ చిత్రగ్రీవుడు చాలా తెలివైందనమాట. రోజు స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళటం వల్ల దాని బ్రెయిన్ చాలా షార్ప్ అయింది. అదేం చేసిందంటే, ఇంత పెద్ద అడవిలో మన కోసం బియ్యం స్పెసిఫిక్గా ఎందుకు వేస్తారు, ఇది ఒక ట్రాప్ లాగా ఉంది, ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ గో అని సజెస్ట్ చేస్తుంది. బట్ రిమైనింగ్ ఏవి కూడా సరిగా స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళేవి కాదు. సో అందువల్ల వాటికి అంత బ్రెయిన్ షార్ప్ కాలేదు. అవి అన్నీ ఫోర్స్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి కిందకి, వలలో చిక్కుపడిపోతే చిత్రగ్రీవుడు మాత్రం వెళ్ళదు. సో అది చెప్తూనే ఉంది కదా, వెళ్ళకండి, అలా చేయొద్దు అని చెప్పి. అవన్నీ ఆ పనిష్మెంట్ని ఫేస్ చేస్తాయి. ఫైనల్గా వలలో ఇరుక్కుపోయాయి. సో అవి అన్నీ ఏడ్చి చిత్రగ్రీవుడిని హెల్ప్ చేయమని అడుగుతాయి. అప్పుడు చిత్రగ్రీవుడు వరీ అవ్వద్దు, నేను మీకు ఒక హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను, రెడీ 1 2 3 అంటాను, అన్నీ ఒక్కసారి యూనిటీతో పైకి లేవండి, సో దట్ వలతో సహా పైకి లేస్తే ముందు హంటర్ నుంచి బయటపడే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది అని సజెస్ట్ చేస్తాయి. సో రెడీ 1 2 3 అంటుంది, అన్నీ ఒక్కసారి పైకి లేస్తాయి. సో అలా అవి ఆ ప్రాబ్లం నుంచి బయటపడతాయి. ఆ వలని కూడా చిత్రగ్రీవుడి ఫ్రెండ్ ఒక మౌస్ ఉంటుంది, దాని హెల్ప్తో ఆ వల నుంచి కూడా అవి బయటపడిపోతాయి. అలా చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది దానికి. సో దీన్ని బట్టి మేమిద్దరం ఒక తెలుగు బాల పద్యం ద్వారా ఒక మోరల్ చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాం.
కష్ట సాధ్యమైన కరము నెరవేర్ప ఐకమత్యమే మహాబలము, పావురములు వాళ్ళు పైకెత్తుకుని పోవే లలిత సుగుణజాల తెలుగు బాల.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ గ్రేట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ.
That was truly soul-stirring performance. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Up next, we have another exciting performance. Get ready for fun-filled and lively performance that will surely get you into the Christmas mood. them up. That was such a joyful and festive performance. Shall we learn another clap? Butterfly clap? Come on, children, show it to your mommy, daddy. Butterfly clap, everyone. Yes.
Next, we have a special performance by Ryan and his lovely mother. Na ready da varava, annanda yarangi varava.
வரவா
That was wonderful performance.
Up next, we have an exciting and educational performance by Nagapranavi and her mother. Let's welcome them.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shruti, mother of Nagapranavi. Here we keep a plate and glass, and the fire is kept in glass. The fire takes all the oxygen and it remains vacuum. And the vacuum wants to fill with oxygen, and then the plate is pulling inside. That's why the plate is, yeah, the plate is in air, stick to the glass. Okay? Will you? Thank you.
That was fantastic. Nagapranavi and her mother did an amazing job. Can we have a big round of applause for them?
Next, we have a musical performance by Shivansh and his mother.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Avanija, and he is my son, Master Shivansh. At the outset, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, the staff, and even non-teaching staff for organizing this event where we are getting an opportunity to perform with our kids. This experience will always be a memorable moment for us. Thank you for giving this moment. And I would even want to say something. It's a humble caution for all of you that we are not professional singers, neither we are beginners. So please take 2 minutes time for meditation after our performance. जो देख चुके वो अंधेर न हो मालिक
इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह है दाता ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या एक तू ही भरोसा एक तू ही सहारा इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह है दाता पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये डाटा।
हमसे न देखा जाए बर्बादियों का समा, उजड़ी हुई बस्ती में ये तड़प रहे इंसान। हमसे न देखा जाए बर्बादियों का समा, उजड़ी हुई बस्ती में ये तड़प रहे इंसान। नन्हे जिस्मों के टुकड़े लिए कड़ी है एक माँ, बारूद के धुएं में तू ही बोल जाए कहाँ
एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये डाटा वाला। ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये डाटा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये डाटा।
नादा है हम तो मालिक, क्यों दी हमें ये सजा? या है सभी के दिल में नफरत का जहर भरा? नादा है हम तो मालिक, क्यों दी हमें ये सजा? या है सभी के दिल में नफरत का जहर भरा? इन्हें फिर से याद दिला दे सबक नई प्यार का, बन जाए गुलशन फिर से कांटों पर ये दुनिया।
एक तो ही भरोसा, एक तो ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये डाटा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये डाटा। एक तो ही भरोसा।
Thank you all for giving us this opportunity, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year ahead.
Thank you. That was truly musical performance.
गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए।
What happened, ma'am?
Ma'am, I am already in the mood of singing, and for our next performance, we would like to call upon Samanvik and his mother.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Samanvik. I am studying PP2B.
Ma.
Middle.
तू गुनगुलाए मुस्कुराए छोटी मोटी बात में फुलाए ऐसा कर मैरिया कर पास मुझे लाए नादानिया नादानिया खींचे मुझे नादानिया 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 पागल करे तेरी हवा शामों से हाथ तेरिया करूँ तेरे हमें तेरिया करूँ दुआ तुम्हें फुलाया एनजर कर मैरिया कर पास मुझे लाए नादानिया नादानिया कीचे मुझे नादानिया 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 पागल करे तेरा रवा थैंक यू
Yeah, thank you.
That was absolutely wonderful. Gungunai, muskurai.
Now, we have an amazing dance performance by Ganeshri and her mother.
సృష్టికి మూలం మమ్మతనం సృష్టించని ఇది అమ్మ గుణం అమ్మ పాడే జోల పాట అమృతాలి కన్నది అంట అమ్మ పాడే నాలి పాట తిని పాడే
ఎదురొచ్చినా కన్నీళ్లు ఎదిరించినా ఆనందం అనే ఉయ్యాలలో నన్ను పెంచిన నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో అంకితం నా ప్రతీక్షణం
That was truly remarkable performance. The performance was full of joy and elegance.
Next, we are in for an enchanting performance by Ishanvi and her mother. Let's welcome them.
चलिए तू किते चलिए जानदा है दिल ये तो जान दिए तू तेरे बिना मैं ना रहूं मेरे बिना तू चलिए तू किथे चलिए तू किथे चलिए काटू कैसे राता हो सावरे जिया नहीं जाता सुन बावरे के राता लंबे आ रे कटे तेरे संगे आ रे के राता लंबे आ
Men come.
कटे तेरे संगे
cancel.
संगे आ रे
चम 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 अंबरा दे तारे कहंदे ने सजना तू ही चन मेरे इस दिल दा मन लवे सजना तेरे बिना मेरा होवे ना गुजारा झटक ना जावी मैनू तू ही है सहारा
काटू कैसे राता हो सावरे जिया नहीं जाता सुन बावरे के राता लंबे आ रे कटे तेरे संगे आ रे के राता लंबे आ रे कटे तेरे संगे आ रे
That was absolutely spellbinding.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Ma'am, we are not taking any rhyme session, ma'am.
Yeah, I know, ma'am. Yes, we have a captivating storytelling performance by Aishwarya's mother.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, dear parents, lovely children, and my amazing teachers. Today, I am here to tell a story about a wolf and a lamb. Once upon a time, there was a village near to the forest. In the village, there were many sheep. Along with the sheep, there were some small lamb. Along with the sheep, the shepherd every day took the lamb to the open lands to graze. Nearby the forest, there lived a dangerous fog, which was always waiting to look in and find some food. When the lamb started grazing in the fields, the fox slowly it sneaked into the herd of the sheep, and it caught hold of one of the lamb and it started running into the forest. When the lamb realized that the wolf caught hold of it, thinking that anyhow now the wolf is going to eat me. So it started talking to the wolf. Hey, dearest wolf, I know you are going to eat me anyway, but will you please fulfill my last wish? Then the wolf smiled and said, what is your last wish? The lamb said, hey, dearest, can you please play the flute for me? I heard that you play the flute very nicely. So the wolf smiled and said, that's okay. Let me fulfill your last wish. And the wolf started playing the flute, and it started playing. After some time, it stopped and said, okay, now I'm going to eat you. Then the lamb said, oh no, you're playing it so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Can you play it a little louder? The wolf laughed, ha, ha, ha. And it started playing even louder, even louder. The wolf started the playing flute even louder. And with this sound, the shepherd and the shepherd dogs came running towards the wolf. They caught the wolf instantly, and that was the end of the wolf that day. And the lamb, it ran away happily to the flock of sheep. The moral of the story is, whenever we are in a difficult situation, do not panic, stay calm. You will find a way definitely to come out of the situation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That was truly amazing performance, ma'am. Up next, we have a lovely and exciting performance by Kirtana and her family. Tum Tum Tum. That was Tum Tum performance. Now, let's welcome Shahaz and his mother for a song. Let's cheer up for them.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shahaz. I'm studying in P2B. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Gurave Namaha.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am and teachers, my dear parents and little munchkins. Today I am going to sing Maunangane Edagamani. మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది అపజయాలు కలిగిన చోటే గెలుపు పిలుపు వినిపిస్తుంది ఆకులన్నీ రాలిన చోటే కొత్త చిగురు కనిపిస్తుంది మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది దూర భారమెంతో దిగులు పడకునేస్తమా దరికి చేర్చు దారులు కూడా ఉన్నాయిగా భారమెంతో ఉందని బాధపడకునేస్తమా బాధ వెంట నవ్వుల పంట ఉంటుందిగా సాగర మదనం మొదలవగానే విషమే వచ్చింది విసుగే చెందక కృషి చేస్తేనే అమృతమిచ్చింది అవరోధాల దీవుల్లో ఆనంద నిధి ఉందని కష్టాల వారధి దాటిన వారికి సొంతమవుతోంది తెలుసుకుంటే సత్యమిదే తలచుకుంటే సాధ్యమిదే మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ
That was melodious performance. Give them a big round of applause.
Abracadabra, gilly, gilly, gilly.
What is the magic, ma'am?
Ma'am, magic is Sia and her father who will be performing an act on Magic Doll.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amit.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sia. I'm studying in PP2A.
Wish you happy Christmas to everyone. And our act name is Magic Doll.
Oh no, somebody spoiled my doll. No problem, I will fix it. Idea. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo, magic papa.
Oh, what happened? Oh, who put water on? Who put water on me?
Idea. Papa, I want dolls and toys. Papa, I want chocolates. Idea. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo, magic no papa.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Truly a magical performance. Please give them a big round of applause.
The next performance will bring you grace and energy to the stage. Let's welcome Pranshi and her mother.
சிட்டு சிக்கிட்ட விக்கிது மாலை டம் டம் மஞ்சள டம் டம் மாத்து அடிக்கு மங்கள டம் டம் ஓல டம் டம் ஒதுக்கு டம் டம் ஓங்கி பட்டிக்கும் புத்திக டம் டம் மாலை டம் டம் மஞ்சள டம் டம் மாத்து அடிக்கு மங்கள டம் டம் ஓல டம் டம் ஒதுக்கு டம் டம் ஓங்கி பட்டிக்கும் புத்திக டம் டம்
राई बरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी राई बरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी अरे बहन के इतना जेवर कहना तेज हवा से बच के रहना गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा दे झुमका हाय झुमका झुमका
What झुमका? What झुमका? What झुमका?
Wow, that was Jhumka performance.
Now, we would like to call upon Varshini and her mother for on song तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashni. I'm studying in PP2B. Thank you.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी तू ही मेरा जुनून तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी तू ही रूह का सुकून तू ही अखियों की धड़कन तू ही दिल की है दस्तक और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं कैसी है ये दूरी कैसी मजबूरी मैंने नजरों से तुझे छू लिया ओ कभी तेरी खुशबू कभी तेरी बातें बिन मांगे ये जहां पा लिया तू ही दिल की है रौनक तू ही जन्मों की दौलत और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं
Wow, that was mind-blowing
performance. Now we have delightful song performance by Nainika and her mother.
कंगना 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 झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया कंगना 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 झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया छनक छनक के बोले छनक छनक के बोले ओ बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गालों पे है काला काला
तुम्हारा मेरा एक है कारवां, तुम जहाँ मैं वहाँ।
राह हूँ मैं तेरी, रूह है तू मेरी, ढूंढते तेरे निशान मिल गई खुदी। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। मुश्किल सही आसान हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
That was mind-blowing performance. Give them a big round of applause, audience.
Next, we have Anaisha and her mother who will be dancing on Kala Chashma.
जान से प्यारा ओ बेबी एवें चमका दिल साडा कि दिख गया प्यार ये पटियालवी। हो जब से दिल हारा ओ बदला मैं सारा का सारा ओ बेबी जिवें कबरू दिलदारा ओ बेबी तेरा यार ये पटियालवी।
Not the least. Next, we have Vivan Surya's father to talk about health and wellness.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my dear teachers. So, my name is Gautam, and what's your name, buddy? Tell me your name.
Vivan Surya.
Okay, in which class you are studying?
PB2B.
So, today, after all these entertaining performances, so I don't want to bore you. Just I wanted to talk a little bit about the most common question. Actually, I'm a pulmonologist. I work for AIG hospitals. So the most common question that I face during my patient visits. So that is how to improve immunity. So let us make this an interactive session. So anyone, how to improve our immunity, child's immunity mainly. Because this is the right age. This is the right age that we can inculcate good health practices among our children. Anyone can answer. Anyone, ma'am?
Good food.
Yes.
Healthy habits.
Yes.
Exercise.
Yes.
And not restricted kind of diet.
Yes.
Nutritious food. Yes, that's it.
So let us come to the one important aspect of healthy habits that we all neglect. That is sleep. Yes. So do you know about the biological clock? Our circadian rhythm, biological clock? Yes. What is the right time? What is the right time to sleep and right time to wake up? So nowadays, because of all these modern gadgets, electricity and all, we are going against the nature, right? So previously, before electricity has come, so people used to wake up early and they used to go to sleep after the sun sets, okay? But since we are going against the nature, we are prolonging our, most of us, we go to bed at around 11 p.m. in the night or 12 p.m. Some go extend their work hours till 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Some are having night shifts and all. So because of this altered sleep architecture, our health, we are deteriorating our health habits. So we have to, apart from diet, good diet, avoiding junk food and exercising daily, the sleep is one of the most important thing that we have to follow. So daily morning, this is called sleep hygiene. You can all Google it. You can Google it as sleep hygiene. It tells 10 important things. Among this, one is regular health habits. Sleep habits. We have to go early to bed, early to rise and all. And during the morning time, we are all not getting exposed enough to sunlight. Okay? So exposure to sunlight produces which hormone? Melatonin. Melatonin. That is the sleep hormone. Right, Vivan? Yes?
Yes.
So which habit is good? Early to bed or late to bed?
Early to bed.
Very good. So early to bed. We have to go early to bed. So how can we promote these healthy habits among our children? Anyone can answer? How can we promote such sleep habits among our children? Anyone? So the simple answer is we have to follow those habits. As a parents, we have to follow those sleep habits and other habits like exercise, diet and all. By seeing our health habits only, the children, they follow our footsteps. So that's what I want to say today. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful speech. Now, we have a little one going to surprise us with the keyboard.
My name is Rayan. I'm studying on PP1. Today, I'm going to play keyboard.
That was truly amazing performance, Rayan. Big round of applause. We thoroughly enjoy the event. We hope you enjoy the event too. It's our privilege to have you all with us today.
Your participation and support have truly elevated this event, and we are deeply grateful for your time and dedication. As a humble gesture of our respect and appreciation, we would like to present a token of love to all the participants. We would like to call upon Principal Ma'am to please come up on the stage.
My dear parents and beloved students, good morning. Already it's 2 o'clock. Good afternoon. Dear parents, why we conducted this activity? The main reason behind this activity, to check the coordination between you and your child. No, I know this is not an easy job for you people. It needs a lot of courage to come and perform here. After your college days, I think this is the first time you are performing on the stage, many of the parents. But you have done this only to see smile on your children's face, right, parents? So I need to appreciate each and every parent who took part here. Please clap for yourself. Rather than thinking why we need to perform, if school calls, that is not the mindset of my parents. If the school is saying something, so they can understand why school wants us to perform. So at least 1 week you might have spent a lot of time with your child, practicing, they might have enjoyed. That is the main reason why we conducted this activity. And from first performance to last performance, I have observed maybe, you might forgot the steps, but my kids didn't forget the steps. My kids are perfect. So till now, as a principal, I felt, I am proud of my kids. And from today, at this moment, I felt I am proud of my parents too. My dear parents, you have done commendable job. Really, coming forward, accepting our invitation and performing, commendable job. I am very happy. Thank you so much. So, no one is here to judge any parent. We understood the love. Whatever you have shown here, that is the only pure love what we have seen towards your child. So, this is a token of appreciation and love from my end, from the school end. Thank you so much.
I request our pre-primary coordinator, Sarita Prabhu ma'am, to please join principal ma'am. I would like to call upon Leher and Shivansh's parents to come forward and accept the token of our love and appreciation. Next, I would like to call upon Arnav and his mother onto the stage. Next, it will be Shloka and her mother. Please come on the stage, ma'am. Next, I would like to call upon Amulya and her mother onto the stage. Next, I would like to call upon Mishika and her mom. I would like to call upon Rayan and his parents to come up on the stage. I would like to call upon Nagapranavi and her mother to please come up on the stage. I would like to call upon Shivansh and his mother to accept the token of love and appreciation. I would like to call upon Samanvik and his mom. Next, I would like to call upon Dhanusri and her mother and sister to please come up on the stage along with father. I would like to call upon Ishanvi and her mother to please come up on the stage. Now I would like to call upon Kirtina and her mother along with her cousin to please come up on the stage. Now I would like to call upon Saharsh and his mom onto the stage. Next, I would like to call upon Sia and her father to please come up on the stage. Next, it's going to be Pranchi and her mother. Please come up on the stage, ma'am. Next, I would like to call upon Varshini and her mom and dad to please come up on the stage. I would like to call upon Nainika and her mom to please come up on the stage. Now I would like to call upon Anaisha and her mother to please come up on the stage. Last but not the least, I would like to call upon Bhivan Surya and his father to please come up on the stage to accept the token of love and appreciation. Thank you, ma'am.
Dear parents, now to add more fun and excitement, we have arranged some enjoyable games for both parents and students. We kindly request everyone to proceed to the ground and take part in these games, creating even more fun and memories together.
Before we proceed, I request you all to please take scarf and comb which we have requested you to carry along with you.
fathers, to my right, all the mothers. With your scarf.
Yeah, we want you with your scarf. You have scarf, sir? Scarf? Yeah, your better half can get it. Please, ma'am. All the mothers, please give scarf to fathers. So how many fathers we have? Nagapranavi's father, you're coming, you're joining us. 1, 2, sir. Scarf, sir. 3, 4. No scarf, sir.
Okay.
Only 4? Ishani's father? Oh. 6. Give. 6? Only 6? I don't see Mishika's father. Okay. So, scarf, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I'm going to give the instructions by giving you demo. Okay? I request all the pre-primary teachers to please come here and form a line. The name of the game is Blind Snake Game. Okay? So, you all will be standing in a line and holding the shoulders of the front person. Everyone will be blindfolded except one. Okay? So, you decide among yourself who is that going to be, who is not going to blindfold. So please, I'm going to give you, I'll count 10. In 10 you decide who doesn't want to blindfold. Who is going to guide? 1, 2, come on, it's a team game. 3, 4, 5, 6,
Second person.
7. Okay, second one, done then. Sir, you are not going to blindfold, I'll have your scarf, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, now we are going to blindfold yourself, and the last person, sir, you are not blindfolded. You are going to guide your team. Okay, guide all the people to the goal. We are going to put a goal. So you have to take the team, and you will be standing in the end. You have to take your team to that goal. How are you going to take them? You are going to communicate with them only by giving signals. Okay, you want your team to go right. Tap on the right shoulder, and it will be communicated to everyone. And if you want them to go left, tap on the left shoulder. If you want them to go straight, tap on the back. Okay, a pat on the back. And if you want them to bend and pick up the object, the goal, tap on both the shoulders together. Am I clear? Any doubt? Okay, we'll do it. Ma'am, all of you close your eyes.
That is not ready, right?
Yes.
Please form a line, please. So please form a line first. Touch on the shoulder, sir. You can see. No cheating. Sir, no cheating.
Okay, let's see what they are going to do now. 1, 2, 3, go, sir. Tap, sir, tap. Don't forget to tap. Yes. A complete right turn.
No talking, sir. Only action.
Shall we play this game in class also, children? Nice night, eh?
Obstacle, sir, obstacle.
Wow, great job. They did it. Clap for your daddies, everyone. Louder, harder. Good job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Now, please hold the shoulders of your of the person who is standing in front. Okay. Okay. So again, you want me to give the instruction? Right turn, right shoulder tap. Left turn, left shoulder tap. Going straight, tap at the back and bend. Tap both the shoulders together. Okay?
Ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Babu sir, ready? Okay. Auntie, ready? Okay. Okay, ma'am. Masi, ready? Yeah.
Start tapping, ma'am. Start tapping. Yeah.
Oh, nothing. Okay. Ready, ma'am? Chalo, started. Fast, you have to do. Fast, you have to do. Fast. It's coming, ma'am.
Come on, make it faster, ma'am.
It's coming. Because it's a big train. You have to start walking.
My God, it's taking very long to communicate. Come on, ladies. We are ladies. We have to be super fast. We are gossip queens. आगे चलो भाई, चलते बढ़ो. Very good. Come on. Cheer for your mommy. Everyone. We'll misguide them.
Wow, you're about to reach.
Almost there. Now you start dancing here.
Yes, right. Very good, ma'am. Very good. You're going to reach. Ma'am, what is there?
I think you are missing out. Number 5, number 6.
Mind the step. Mind the step.
Yeah. Right, no? Ma'am, sorry, you can. Ma'am, can you just say left or right? I'm waiting for... Tapping? Yeah, ma'am, train is not moving. Yes, ma'am. Which side you are not hitting? Okay, straight. Auntie, dime.
Ma'am, take a little left, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Left, left, left. Shoulder up, tapping. Left, left. They're tapping left side, left side. Change it, change it. Yeah. Amulya's mommy, change it. Ayyo, Rama. Ayyo, Rama. Ayyo, Rama, you have made a circle.
Now what are we going to do?
Slow. I think they've come to the soccer field.
Something like a perfect snake jump.
Perfect snake. Straight. Straight. Right. Yeah, very fast. Slow.
So you're almost. No. Not that out.
I am getting it from the right. Very good. Good job. Yes. Straight. Got it? Straight. Sometimes this way, right? Don't slow. Straight. Yeah. Slow. Straight. Right. Slow. Very close, teacher. Very close. Wow. Left. There you are. How you
And little princess, please move here. So your father is going to do your hairstyle. Okay?
Giving the instruction now. Ma'am, can we open this?
You know, there is one.
Wait. You want prize? Wow.
Oh, look at their faces now, all the girls' faces. Wow, what is daddy going to do on me? Oh my god, look at their faces. Almost done, Sia's father. Be careful, sir.
Nainika, don't move. Put it.
Mom is doing French parade, huh? Smile. You will love it.
Wow,
Done. Our work is done.
wow. Lift your hand, Naini.
Well done, Dainika's father.
You are also finished.
They are also done.
You can take selfie and see whether
Only 30 seconds now.
Let's count. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Now, my dear mothers, we are making your life a little bit easy, okay? From tomorrow, all the fathers are going to do their hair, okay? So you don't touch it. We are going to ask your children every day, who did this hairstyle today? You can take the selfie. Take the mama's phone.
Do like this.
We want go stand up.
Hey, Mivan, come.
Nagapranavi, did you like the hairstyle better?
Yeah.
Good. Congratulations, sir. Kirtana, did you like the hairstyle? No. Did you like the hairstyle?
No.
Amulya, did you like the hairstyle?
Yes.
Yes. Did you see your face?
Yes.
Yes. What about you, Dawn? Did you
Yes.
like the hairstyle? Yes. Very good. Safa?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent. What about you?
I like very much.
Congratulations, sir. Wow, I really like the way you said Nanita. Sia, did you like the hairstyle?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And Varshini? Congrats. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. All right, let's clap for you, daddies, everyone. One good one, Aisha. Did you like your hairstyle? Okay. I'll ask my mommy. Mama, how am I looking? Safa? Wow, we have a best hairstylist. Daddy's hair salon. We have best hairstylist. Safa's father, uncle. Safa's uncle. Please give him a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. Please kindly be seated. Yeah, you all can go to your mommy and get your mothers on this side and all their sons on this side. Ma'am here, Shub, you can stand here, beta. Rayan here, all the boys here. Others? All the boys are here. Vivan Surya, sir, please. Vivan Surya, come, we'll play this game. Kaushik's father and Kaushik. Oh, mother, right? Sorry. Shoulders, you'll have to touch shoulders, okay? When I say knees, you have to touch knees. When I say cone, you have to grab the cone. When I say turn around, you have to turn around. Okay? So, 2 steps back, everyone. Knees, shoulders, jump up high, head, cone. Oh, mom, sir. I didn't expect this from you. I thought you would give it to your son. No problem. Just a try. We'll do one more time, okay? No, ma'am. I was only joking. A serious game. So, come on. Presence of mind. Everyone, come on. We'll do it. Do it. Play it mindfully, boys. Head. Shoulders. Touch your knees. Jump up high. Turn around. Head. Knees. Grab. Okay. One more try. Let's see who will win this time. Mothers, you can win, no? 1, 2, 3, go. Jump up high. Touch your knees. Shoulders. Touch your head. Blink your eyes. Eyes blink, 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 blink. Turn around. Touch your knees. Jump up high. More high. Touch your shoulders. Grab the cone. Good job. Please take your seat. Yes, ma'am.
All my dear parents and children. I'm very excited today because we had this event along with the parents and children. So no other school would do. Basically, it is only the children's events we go and present, right? And here we have, along with the kids, we have nano participation. So I'm. Thank you so much for the school organizing this event, and I would like to thank Principal Ma'am and teachers, and do more such events. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Indeed, it was really a nice show that you people have conducted. I'm the grandmother of Rayan. So I am much delighted. See, every mother would like to see her daughters, sons, daughters-in-law happy in their family life with their children. So I am really delighted to see so many people. But one small grievance that I have over here is many children have come only with the mothers. So I very fondly request the fathers to come in large numbers and participate. And I think, madam, you should also make it mandatory, because this is one day in the year that fathers are going to spend some time, or maybe 1 week that they are going to practice for any events that you people are conducting. So please, I request all the fathers to come and participate as parents for their children. And secondly, this is surely a negative comment that I'm passing, but please, mothers, do not feel bad about it. As a grandmother, as I would want my daughters or I don't have daughters-in-law, I have only 2 daughters. So I look upon all of you as my daughters. There's no time. There's still lots to speak. So, but what I found in this game was that mothers were mechanically tapping on the back, unmindful of the instruction that originated from my point. And so definitely when we receive instructions, you should follow those instructions scrupulously and try to convey it. This was a very long chain. So by the time the instruction from the first person reaches the last, much of the distance would have been covered. So the last person who has to pick up so I kept the distance in mind and I started giving you all instructions so that by the time it reaches the first person, she'll be able to pick up. But unfortunately, instructions got distorted. You people did not carry it properly. So I personally feel you are all mothers and you are the guiding light for your children. So you cannot afford to be lackadaisical in your attitude. You have to be meticulous in your approach. So unless and until you follow such practices, it is very difficult for you to rear your children to perfection. We all want our children to be great leaders in the coming future. So dear mothers, what I have noticed, this is including my daughter, I will say, your concentration is less. You people did something mechanically, but I really wish and pray that you people spend more time and try to concentrate and see that you rear up your children. And my prayers and blessings that all your children should become shining stars. They should reach meteoric heights in their life beyond the forces of gravity. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We'll definitely make a note of it. All the fathers and the mothers, okay? Now, anyone else?
Good afternoon and all. Special thanks to entire school management, especially teachers, principal ma'am. It was a very fantastic moment for us, and I really appreciate each and every parent who have performed here. It is not that easy to practice with the kid and making this event so successful. And I know the hard work, the time taken to y'all to make this event so successful. I really appreciate your patience and children's patience that you made this event so fantastic. And parents who couldn't participate, nevertheless, we can do it next time. Even I am feeling so unlucky that I couldn't participate because running short of time for me, and I could not manage this event. But it was really as my kids, not only my child, I feel everyone is my kid, so I felt very happy when I saw everyone performing. And the motivation from teachers, it is amazing, amazing. He is my second child in this school, and we are so, I know children are very much, impatient, and the patience you have, it is, speechless, ma'am. I really appreciate for every touch point where we feel always our children are in safe hands. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you once again.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm privileged to deliver vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion of parent-child performance, Talenta and Felicito. So first and foremost, I want to extend my gratitude to all the parents and children who performed on the stage. Your enthusiasm, dedication and creativity has made this event truly special. A special thanks to our principal ma'am and school management for their constant support and encouragement in organizing this event. Your vision inspires us to create such opportunities for bonding and joy. Thank you to all the teachers and sub-staff. Thank you for your tireless efforts in coordinating, planning, and ensuring the success of this event. To all the beautiful audience, thank you for your energy, cheers, and appreciation. And I would say once again thank you to everyone. And we conclude here. Have a great day again. Thank you.
One group photo.
Sit down, Nishan, sit beta. We'll play balancing game later, okay? Keertana, sit. Nanita, go to your auntie. Smile.